Today we take a look at the Atlantica Sancta Napa Resort in Ayia Napa. Its beautiful reception areas, the pool and the stunning sea views rooftop restaurant. There is work taking place, but what about the noise and when will it be finished? Come and join us to find out. Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Jeli's Journey. Today we are in Ayia Napa. Bit of a cloudy day, but a bit of a breezy day as well, but still nice and warm. We thought we'd take a look at the Atlantica Sancta Napa. Elle has kindly let us have a look through the hotel for season 26. It is getting some work done, but at this point in time, and it's around April the 11th, can't really hear any work going on. So just to get our bearings, we are on the quietest strip of Ayia Napa. If you go in that direction and turn left, you'll end at the top end of the Ayia Napa shops and bars, toward the Isle of Ayia Napa sign. If you go straight up in the street, turn right, you'll end up, if you're hiring a buggy, in Potara. So you've got a supermarket, you've got the Hotel Nesta opposite, and you've got a place where you can hire your buggies and your motorbikes. Take a look at our earlier shot and our earlier recording on that one, and straight down and you get to the harbour. So let's take a look at this beautiful hotel. Well, we've had many a lovely holiday in this hotel, haven't we, darling?
Certainly have. We've got some lovely people as well in this hotel.
And you know what? Our rooms weren't overlooking the pool, they were overlooking reception area.
Yeah.
And you can have
They're up there. Second floor on the end there.
second floor right on the end.
But it's a lovely view because it was overlooking straight through there. You can see Luton Harbour lit up at night time.
And you see all the bikes of people coming down. It's nice. Not overly loud, was it?
No, it's great.
Yes, I'm putting up at 26. Yeah, I feel like I'm going on holiday.
Yeah.
I just haven't got my cases.
There we go.
Oh, let's see how it's changed. I haven't been in here yet.
Changed at all much, really.
Oh, it has.
Do you think so?
Oh, got the nice chairs. So like we said, we've kind of been given permission to come round and have a look, which is very nice of them. So this is your reception area and your bars, great mural.
It's a nice reception area, isn't it?
It is, it really is. You've got a little coffee area right at the top there and a little reading area, but gorgeous. The chairs are new. Well, they're new for us, we haven't been in for a year or two. But lovely area. Now, like we said, we've had some fantastic holidays here. The staff are fantastic, really friendly.
Yeah.
Food's good,
Food.
everything's good. So come and join us as we walk around. Hiya!
This young man wants to be on your video.
He wants to be on the video, he's going to be. So, when you come and leave reception, you'll have the lift to get to your hotel rooms. And then you got the margarita. Hello.
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 And then you've got...
Lovely. This is the
the
evening
buffet
meal
area, isn't it?
and your breakfast there.
But they have got other areas. Yeah,
But at the moment, what are they doing at the minute? They're doing
it'll be lunch now, won't
lunch
it?
menu. It looks very nice too. Very nice.
Absolutely great hotel.
An information board. I think this is a touch screen if I remember rightly. Well, I
Possibly
don't
not.
remember rightly.
Oh, bus
do I?
route.
Ah,
There we go. And that is very handy. Get yourselves onto the bus. Dead cheap, dead reasonable.
Tells you 101, tells you exactly where it goes, 102 on the way back.
And they are very, very popular, very regular. The buses are quite cheap.
Very
Get
cheap.
yourself to Paralimi during you. You can go to Protaras as well.
Got the kids' games room around here, isn't there, if I remember rightly?
Now, when we first came, this was like another bar, but they've used it and changed it.
Used it, yeah, like, got a little pool table. Yeah,
Yeah, little games.
a few bits of kids entertainment. Soak up a few euros, mum and dad's money.
So you've got your rooms in that direction, you've got the pool bar, you've got the swimming pool. Now, The Sancta Napa, it has grown in size over the years, hasn't
Yeah,
it,
it
darling?
certainly has. It's expanding all the time, isn't it?
Thank you. So this is going to be our pool area. Now it is out of season still, it's April the 11th. So it is a bit quiet. We've got a massive, massive pool.
However,
It does get really busy though, doesn't it? It is nice and warm. Then you've got your outside area.
Pool area?
Your separate block over there. Your pool bars. Now, when we stayed here, the little kiosk for the snacks was gorgeous, weren't
It
it?
was very busy though, wasn't it?
You can get cheeseburgers and gyros and...
Yeah, very, very nice. And a very friendly guy too. But it looks like it's changed now.
Probably all the stuff's changed since we were here.
Yeah, I'd imagine so.
And chase the dicky bells.
But yeah, it's very nice.
But we've sat many an hour outside here, haven't we?
Yeah, enjoyed every minute of it as well.
We have. So that is the new block. Shall we have a look at the block or are we looking at the pool?
We'll do the pool bit here
Let's
first.
do the pool bit first.
Pool bit first. It's quite blowy, isn't it?
It is a bit of a windy day. Now, there's a lot of people saying they've never known it to be as cool, but yeah, there is definitely a breeze around the pool today.
Definitely a breeze.
Pools are probably still a bit too chilly, as you can tell. There's nobody in.
Nobody in. But it's quite a big pool though, isn't it?
It is a big pool.
It's almost like three sort of squares, isn't it? Or three rectangles put together.
Take a look at our really early shots. You might see some of the Sancta Napa entertainment on the pool and the dances that they used to do.
I don't think they do that anymore, do they?
Now, that was our spot last year, wasn't it? Where the lifeguards for the Red Brolly.
I have to queue up there every morning to get myself, get ourselves our sunbeds.
So, as you can see, these are the other rooms. These are the pool facing ones. Now, that is your rooftop terrace at the top of that one. Beautiful area. And then just at the building behind it, that is your adult only area with your pools and things. They are really upgraded, haven't they, over the years. And you've got your little four posters there. Now, I think when we came, you had to hire them. A little kiddies area with a pool, their own little pool.
Yeah, that was always busy up there, wasn't it?
It was.
Internet. No, they're great time. They've got these double sunbed with nice cushions and stuff on there. So,
And that used to be the staircase, wasn't it, Don? You used to go up and down.
yeah, that's right.
Never mind the lift.
There's a new lifeguard there. He wasn't the same one as what we used.
It was different from when we were here. We expect that, don't we? So this must be a bit more sheltered area because there's a lot more people here. But the children's pool is a good size.
And you get plenty of them there.
Oh, yes, you do. That's new.
It used to change the towels.
Yeah. It used to be inside, didn't it? But then
This is where we used to sit.
so the pool's open between 8 and 6. The cabanas are for rental. Please contact reception for information. No towels are permitted on sunbeds before 8 o'clock in the morning. Any towels left on sunbeds, personal belongings prior to 8, they will be removed. So, please look after your belongings. In room, white towels are not to be used as the pool or as beach towels. Charges will apply for any stained towels. Just a heads up there, everyone.
You go down here for the
Yes.
bar and have a quick look down there because it's quite nice down there actually. Whether it'll be open or not, I don't know. But we'll have a look.
Soon find out.
I can imagine it would be.
Oh, you got your toilets. Oh.
Yeah, so then there's toilets and showers.
Toilets if you're at the pool.
And it's through here, nice little gym. Basic, but a few free weights in there as well. But yeah, it's got what you need.
It certainly does. And then you've got...
Slow on that, if you're...
Oh, is that...
Plug your head in. I'll get your idea of what's going on.
It is small.
But it can give you a nice workout.
But how many people actually use the gym?
Well, none today, man. Look at that.
No. It's always on their tick list to do, but nah.
Yeah.
stairs to get upstairs to the reception area.
Smells nice, doesn't it?
It does smell nice.
And down here, do you remember when we checked out of our room early?
A late room.
Courtesy room. Well, we had to pay actually, didn't we? You used one of these downstairs rooms with no windows.
There's no windows, it is dark, it is dingy.
However, it's comfy, somewhere to put your stuff, and you've got a shower, and it's safe. So bear that in mind if you get checked out of your room.
Well, yes, sometimes a late room doesn't mean you can get to keep your room. So you got the stairs to reception. Oh, we'll head up. Back up the stairs, more steps, back to the pool.
Back into the daylight.
Oh,
Fall up the stairs.
Jerry's gone for another trip. Now see, there is a handy idea where we sat.
Yeah.
Not far from the bar, shopping toilet,
But it
not
does
far
get very
from...
windy there, doesn't it?
Staying on an afternoon in Ayia Napa, isn't
However,
it?
if you sit around here, it's a lot
It is.
nice.
What's going around here? Oh, I can smell food. Oh, get caught by the brolly.
That's really nice.
Which way then? The bar?
It's a nice restaurant that.
It is, and we had nice food,
And
isn't
then
it?
summer, these doors will open up and it's all sort of open plan and it's really nice.
But we have sat there many times. So you can't get your fruit, you can't
This
get
is
your cake.
the lovely chef who does your snacks. Hello, sir.
Oh, I'm just going to have a look at the recipe. So you got the salads. We've had great meals here. Falafels, hot dogs, your burgers, picky blinders. Then you got your sides, then you got your desserts.
But that's in the all-inclusive.
And that's all in with the all-inclusive, well it was when we were here.
Let kids play
Your
out
little
down there.
children's area.
Free walk to station, you know.
I think it was just water, wasn't it?
Coffee and that round here. If you need a coffee.
I need a coffee. They had nice coffee here. Bring your own coffee cup
Travel mug.
with a travel mug, and you can use the machines and top up. That is the tip of the day. Yes.
Now, what we're doing now is we'll go round to this brand new part of the hotel, which wasn't here when we holidayed here.
And we're not sure if this is where the work is taking place. So they may, no, they're not going to let us here. So this is where the work is taking place.
It's not quite ready
So we'll stop here. You've got the Pan Asian restaurant, which is on the top floor of this block.
yet.
And you've got your lift to get there. And then this is the new part.
Which is still working on.
They're still working on the pool area,
But look,
which is beautiful.
goes on for miles. Doesn't it?
Really, really lovely area. When
That's
this
a
is done.
nice and secluded area. That'd be really nice and warm round.
Now it is Easter weekend here in Cyprus, so it's probably why it's so quiet as well. But if anyone's had emails about any work getting done, chances are it's because of this area. And I can't think there'll be a lot of noise, to be honest.
No.
So great views.
Great views. I'm going to stand you up as far as we go actually. Let's see if we can get any better views of that. So that will be in your seating area down there. And then, and then
Might be getting the silver bubbles.
your pool. And this lovely brand new block here.
That building there's beautiful, isn't it?
Really lovely.
It's really beautiful.
And then obviously you got a nice swim up rooms with another pool just down there. But if you've got one of these bottom rooms here, you've got going to have a lovely swim up rooms. Fantastic. Really, really nice.
We're just going to go and see if the Pan Asian restaurant is open. Look at these beautiful views. Cape Echo in the distance. Sea views. It's a bit choppy today. And this is your rooftop terrace. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Ooh, it is a little bit breezy up here, a bit fresh. But if you are sitting here, you've got your gorgeous views of the pool. The other rooms, you've got the Nelly Beach Hotel in front of you. You've got the beach, Cape Greco in the distance. Here's the other hotel. Now that's a lovely walk along the coastline. You get to see Love's Bridge right at the end there. And if you turn right at the beach, you'll walk to the harbour. Absolutely lovely area. Look at these tables and chairs. Loving the bar area. And the little fish. So really nice. Salon. So that is your Pan-Asian restaurant. We'll go back down the lift and back down to the pool. So we've been to the nice new blocks. We've been up to the Pan-Asian.
We'll ask them when they're open actually, when we go back round to the reception. Then we can come back and
Nice to see if they do open that restaurant for the public or whether it is just for residents.
Oh, well.
Have a look. So walking back down to the pool bar area and the entertainment.
Yes, that's right. We can look round this way.
You've got your toilets there on the left hand side if you're sitting outside here. Oh, I've left my microphone in the car like
on the microphone.
Oh, yes. And your pool bar. Menu drinks sitting there. And there was plastic glasses here, wasn't it, if I remember rightly? By the pool.
Oh, so it is in most hotels run by the public. There's a little gym over here as well.
And you've got your outdoor showers if you're coming off the beach.
Little gym this way.
Yes, shall we do that?
Yeah.
Let's do that. So, need to take from the hotel. You just come down this little ramp.
Little ramp here.
Yeah. Or you can come down the steps.
Straight across, through the gates, straight across.
Straight across, and as you can see, the beach is literally there. So close. Dartboard.
You've got a dartboard and a bit of gym equipment and a ping pong table.
We practice darts, don't we, darling?
We do.
Gary Anderson's.
Could actually do with a new board by it.
We could. But you've got your little weights area. Ping pong table's seen better days, but that might be getting fixed up. So yes. Ah, there's the work taking place next to the Sancta Napa. You can see the digger there. That's your noise.
Yeah, I mean to be
You can't even hear it.
I don't think it's going to upset your holiday in any stretch.
Not at all. So if you've had an email, this is where the work's taking place.
Yeah, I can't even hear it from here. No, I can't hear it.
So everyone, we're going to leave you with a view of the Atlantica Sancta Napa. If there's somewhere that you'd like to go, please just let us know. Put it in the comments, send us a message. We really do not mind. We would like to welcome also our new subscribers to the channel. We really do appreciate your support. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so if you don't mind. That would be absolutely great. We would love to get to 1,000 subscribers. But until next time, everyone, take care now. Bye.